Hi everyone, welcome to our DIY tutorial on how to make a stunning twisted cord fascinator. This unique accessory will add a touch of elegance and flair to any outfit. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Dye the twisted cord trim and Sinamay fabric to achieve the desired color. Start by preparing your dye mixture according to the instructions on the packaging. Stir and then submerge the twisted cord trim and Sinamay fabric into the dye mixture. Leave the materials in the dye mixture until the desired color is achieved. Remove the twisted cord trim and Sinamay fabric from the dye mixture, then let them air dry completely. Now that your twisted cord trim and Sinamay fabric are dyed and dry, it's time to create the twisted cord fascinator. Take your fascinator base and place it on your work surface. Iron with warm iron to bring the two fabrics together to lend strength to the fascinator base. Apply some amount of glue to the fascinator at the center and carefully press one end of the twisted cord trim onto the glue. Now to prepare your fascinator base, I used a 3-inch circle template to cut my Sinamay fabric. Take your twisted cord trim and measure the circumference of the fascinator base. Once you have the desired length, cut the twisted cord trim. Now continue to apply glue and attach the twisted cord trimming to form a spiral, making sure it is tightly wrapped without space in between. Once you have finished, secure the end with glue. Then turn it over and attach the hair comb or hair clip. If you're using a hair clip, put a line of glue and attach it, but I tacked my comb to my fascinator. Now that the comb is securely attached, it's time to add some personal touches. You can choose to glue feathers, beads, fabric bow, or other embellishments to the fascinator for extra flair. I will be using a cone for my fascinator. Fold the earlier dyed Sinamay square measuring 3 inches on all sides into a triangle. Bend to make it into a cone. Put a line of glue on the left side and slide the right side into it. Hold firmly until it is joined. Now I'd like to give you a secret tip in this video. When working with UHU glue, once you apply the glue, allow it dry a few minutes. It holds better. Measure some length of 5.0 m fishing line. String on 6 m crystal beads into it and hold. Hold in place with your UHU glue. Repeat this process 2 times more to have 3 of these suspended beads and insert into the comb. I decided to add 3 crystal beads to the tail of the comb. There you have it, a beautiful twisted cord fascinator. This fascinator is sure to turn heads. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this DIY tutorial. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Happy crafting!